Hi everyone, today I'm taking you on a day trip by bus from Alcudia to the beautiful city of Palma. I got this map from a vlogger from Mallorca. The whole route takes us about 3 to 4 hours depending on how long you stop on each location. On total, there are 7 stops of attractions that is worth visiting. We start off this day by grabbing a quick breakfast at the hotel and then headed to the bus stop, which is just 25 meters from our hotel. We boarded the bus around 9 a.m. with a bus 302 that takes us from Alcudia directly to Palma Center. The trip was around 1.5 hours. I certainly recommend traveling by bus because you could see more of the countryside. Our first stop is at this market called Market de Oliva. If you are a foodie or just loving experience local culture, this is a must visit. Let's dive in. The market opens at 7 a.m. every morning, and as you enter, you will be greeted by an array of colorful stalls with fresh fruits, vegetables, fish, and meat. Here is the seafood section where you can find everything from prawns to clam to octopus and freshly caught fish just arrived a few hours earlier. If you are a meat and cheese lover, you are in for a treat because there are lots of vendors that sell this famous Palma Shinka. It's a ham and also a varieties of cheese. There are also local produced olives, nuts, spices, and assortment of Mediterranean delicacy. If you are hungry, there are several tapas bars and snack stalls inside the building. All you need is to grab a seat and enjoy the freshly prepared tapas, seafood dishes, and even quick coffee and pastry. And after walking for a while, this is a great way to take a break and soak yourself into the lively atmosphere. I would say that visiting this market is not just about food, it is a cultural experience. Our second spot is at this Plaça Major. It is a typical Spanish town city. In its lively atmosphere, colorful building, outdoor cafe, and often markets during events. It started to rain a little bit, so we took a shelter and had our lunch in one of the restaurants at Popeye Chicken. Our third stop is at the Cathedral, the Basilica of Santa Maria of Palma. This cathedral is known for its imposing facade, rose window, and grand interior. This cathedral is one of the most iconic landmarks in Mallorca. Our fourth spot is the capital of the Balearic island of Spain, Palma de Mallorca. Here you will see a mix of residential, commercial, and cultural establishment. Our fifth spot is Dilbon. It is a bustling boulevard renowned for its historical significance with vibrant atmosphere. It has a lot of beautiful buildings, charming cafes, and shops. Spot number 6 is at this Plaça de Joana Calles. This is another vibrant square with historical significance. It's a perfect spot to soak into the culture and charm of Palma. And finally, Plaça de España. This place is like a garden with fountains, palm trees, and surrounded by historical buildings. It is also a transportation hub with buses, trains, and connecting transport from city to various parts of the islands. I find that visiting Palma is an incredible experience. I hope you find this video interesting and informative. If you have any question, don't hesitate to send me a comment. Thank you for joining me in this adventure. I'll see you in my next video. Bye for now.